Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Twitter X account permanently. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on X app. Okay, tap on profile, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Okay, after that tap on your accounts, then tap on deactivate your account. Scroll down, click on deactivate and type your Twitter password and deactivate permanently your X account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.